Maxon Telecom is known as a specialized manufacturer of mobile equipment from Korea. The assortment of its products includes receivers, mobile phones and wireless devices. The company was founded in 1974. Initially, it was called Maxon Korea. In 2000, the name was replaced by Maxon Telecom. The Maxon phone range includes about 60 devices, the evolution of which from 1989 to 2004 we will show you in this video. 1989, EPC 590E. This phone was designed by Graham Tullett, who was working at London-based Atlantic Design at the time. He worked with a Maxon engineer called Simon Finch to help style the phone. This was challenging as it was the early days of phone design and manufacturers were taking different design approaches. 1995. MX21. 1996. MX3100. 1999. MX3204. MX3205F. MX6804. MX6805. MX6810. MX6811. MX6814. MX6815. MX3208. MX2450. MX6088. MX6832. (2000) MX6869. MX6879. MX6877. MX6899. (2001) MX6820. MX7810. MX7811. (2002) MX2100. MX7812. MX7850. MX7821. MX7930. MX7950. MX7931. MX6890. MX6880. MX6881. (2003) MX7970. MX7920. MX7600. MX7940. MX7941. MX7830. MX7922. MX5010. MX7990. MXC20. MXC60. MXC80. MXC90. MXE10. MXC180. 2004. MXC 160. MXC 11. MX 7750. MX E20. MX V10. MX V30. MX E80. MX C110. MX E30. MX C12. MX E2018. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe to the channel.